Hi, in this video I'm gonna live trade and I'm gonna show you what is the secret system we are using to make money on meme coins on Solana. Okay, this is our channel which is operated by AI. Okay, I've got the signals at 1 p.m. and 4 minutes 1-4. Okay, I just clicked on GMGN. Let me show you. I already preset buy orders 0.25 sol, so I made 0.25 sol auto buy at 1-4. Okay, I'm just gonna click refresh. Okay, 10% profit. I think that's okay for me. I could make more, okay, but I'm gonna just sell, complete sale. Look, refresh. I made 12% profit. I'm gonna share P&L. 12% profit in just some seconds. I entered with like $38. I executed the 42 selling order, so I made $4 in some seconds. You know, that's the secret of the system we are using. Okay, and the coin is still going up. The coin is still going up. As you see here, this is a coin. You see? Oh my goodness.